How to use Preply as a student. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Preply as a student. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Preply, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Preply, it is an online learning platform that connects a student with private tutors for personalized lessons in a wide range of subjects, with a strong focus on language learning, in which the platform allows learners to choose from thousands of tutors based on their qualifications, availability rates, and student reviews. And Preply supports flexible scheduling, one-on-one video lessons, and tailored learning plans to suit individual goals. So whether for academic support, professional development, or personal growth. So now to create an account, just click the sign up button or the get started button right here. And by doing so, you'll automatically be directed on this page where you can start logging in using your Google account, Facebook, Apple ID, email address, and many more. And since I already have an account on Preply, I'm going to log in using my Google account. Then you will be able to be directed on the page in here. However, as you can see, I've already applied as a tutor in here and not a student. So if you also want to apply as a tutor, you can simply fill out all of this required information. But since we're here to try Preply for a student, all we need to do is to simply click this get started button to proceed. Then you will be directed on this page and it will show you that all you need to do is to simply enter here or select the kind of subject or language you want to learn using Preply with all of these tutors below. So let's say I'm going to choose here this French. By clicking on it, it will show you below the result of tutors available that teach French. We have here 3,999 tutors. And by clicking this find your tutor button right here, you'll be directed on this page where all you need to do is simply enter or select your answer. What's your goal? I'm going to choose here, for example, career and business. Or you could also select exams and coursework and click the continue button. And it will ask you, by when do you want to achieve this goal? And click the continue once again. And which topics do you want to focus? I'm going to choose this DEP or DELF, which is a Diploma in French Language Studies. And it assesses the learner's proficiency in the French language across 4 areas such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing. And now by clicking the continue button below, it will ask you, what's your French level? I'm going to choose here, for example, I know the basic. And just click the continue button to proceed. And it will ask you to looking for a specific culture or accent. I'm going to choose this France, but you could also select here a variety of country that you prefer and click the continue button. And as you can see, it is also selected this only French native speakers, which is an advantage if you want to look for specific tutors. It will ask you, one tutor speaks more languages. I'm going to choose here English, but you could also select here a different kind of languages that may help you also to easily learn French in here. And after that, all you need to do is simply enter here or select your schedule that you prefer or when can you take the lesson. I'm going to choose, for example, the days in here by simply clicking this one, Friday and Saturday. And after that, just click here the times and continue button to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you'll be directed in here and it will ask you what's your budget. You can simply adjust here this icon in between and many more. For example, I'm going to enter for $15 to $40 per 50 minutes lesson or session. By clicking the continue button to proceed, you will now be able to see here that it is now currently finding your tutors depending on the preferences that you just fill up. Now it will show us in here all of the 272 French teachers that match our needs, given the details and preferences that we just enter. And from here you can simply scroll down to look for a specific kind of tutors. But the first one in here in the list is this Sabine Leia, and it will show us in here on the right side panel the video or her introductory video on Preply that might help us to book for this trial lesson. It will show us in here the rating, the rate per hour, and even the number of active students that she's currently teaching right now, and the total number of lessons and many more. And let's say we want to try to click the video to see what the introductory video looks like. By clicking this one, it will show you on this pop-up window the video on YouTube where you can simply watch on it. And to save this teacher or tutor, just simply click this one to save to our list. However, make sure to also sign in your account in here as a student and not a teacher on this page. And let's say you want to click the reviews. By clicking this reviews button, it will show you all of these reviews below given by other students in here. And as you can see, it has 4.9 ratings and teach 72 student with 5-star rating of 71 student, while only one student rate her 1 star. And below it will show you the schedule of her that is available for you to book. And if this schedule is your preferences, you can simply book on it or book your trial lessons. It will show you below some other education, background, work experience, resume, and many more. And even some of the certifications in here. And now to start trying or booking this teacher, we can simply click the send message button to send a message on the teacher, but make sure to also register as a student and not a tutor in here or a teacher. And you can simply try to click this book trial lesson, where upon clicking on it, you should be able to be directed on the page where you need to pay money for the trial lesson that you're going to book. However, I'm not able to do that since I already have an account in here as a tutor on this page. But going back on this page, aside from that, you'd also start changing some of the filters. As you can see, you have your specialties and also speaks different kind of languages, and even the price per hour in here, the country of birth, and any availability that we prefer, or the schedule of a specific tutor in here. But again, that depends on your availability as well. And by these specialties, we can click here to select business French, for example, and also speaks English. And make sure to also choose here this native speakers if you want to. Or you could also click this only super tutors, which is a highly rated and experienced tutors who have consistently delivered excellent lessons and received positive feedback from students. And as you can see, you'd also sort on our topics depending on your preferences. And again, just do the same process of simply selecting here the kind of tutor that you prefer and start booking a trial lessons. But make sure to also join or register on this page as a student and not a tutor. And it will show you that each tutors in here has a corresponding video introductory to see and hear how they speak about their language. And now going back on this page once again, I'm going to get started as a student and not a tutor, and from here just simply select once again the kind of languages that you want to speak or learn, and look for a specific kind of tutor in here depending on your preferences. And basically the purpose of Preply for students is to basically provide a convenient and personalized learning experience that helps them achieve their academic or personal learning goals. Through one-on-one tutoring sessions, a student can improve their skills in specific subject, especially languages, at their own pace and according to their schedule. But make sure to also sign up in this website to get started. But overall, that is just basically how to use Preply as a student. Thank you.